Okay, everybody, so today we're gonna do something that some probably would argue we should not do, but we're gonna do it because we're risk takers and we're bold and we're brave, and some would say maybe a little foolish. I say fearless, but we're gonna try it out anyways. I'm sitting actually in the middle seat. I got crammed in here next to my fellas because I'm gonna feed them both a bottle. Whoops, where's he hiding behind this thing here? A bottle of milk. I got my two kiddos crammed in the back. Back there. Mama's up front at the steering wheel. And we'll just let you guys see where we're going. Wish us luck until the next, well, 1 second later. Also, by the way, this video is being made during Hurricane Dorian, so we do want to just say that we know a lot's happening for a lot of people, and a lot of people are in a lot of distress right now. So Gracie wants to say a quick prayer for the people that are going through that right now. So speak it aloud, Gracie, so they can hear you.
Dear Lord, I pray that you're with all the people that are in Hurricane Dorian right now, like the Bahamas and the places that are getting hit, and that they're all safe, 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 and that we are safe when it comes and hits us, and that it's not such a bad storm after all, and if many of the people watching this video are in Hurricane Dorian, that they are safe, and we bless them in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen. All right.
We'll keep you updated until we're there.
So here's hoping that Dorian does not pummel Florida. But I know the Bahamas is getting it bad right now. So seriously, prayers and thoughts going out to everybody being affected by that right now. So.
If you look over there, you can see a hint of where we're going.
Where, oh where could we be going?
Basically what they're saying is you stay
What? Well, the big surprise is that we're on the beach, man. On the beach. Hurricane Dorian 2019. It's not actually here in Jacksonville. Hopefully it won't be here in Jacksonville at all. The beach, as you can see, is, well, pretty crowded. People everywhere. Everybody wants to come out and see the big waves, which aren't massive, but they're definitely bigger than typical for the Jacksonville Atlantic. And I apologize, you probably can't hear anything I'm saying because the wind is insane out here. But Gracie, unfortunately, got sand in her eye the second we walked on the beach, and she's been hurting the entire time we've been here. So she's got sand in her eyes and is not having a very good experience right now. Gabriel, on the other hand, Gabriel is having a good old time. Shoveling away, doing his thing, doing what Gabriel does. It's getting ready to pour. Shells! rain coming from a distance. Probably can't see it on the YouTube video, but way off in the distance you can see it coming. It's getting darker and mistier. All right, dig, little man. Work your muscles. A big wave? Oh my goodness. Whoa, whoa, wow. Splash. Whoa. You're all wet? We're all wet. Heave, ho, dig. Work your biceps. Dig. Heave, ho, heave, ho. There you go. Come on. Come on, muscle man. Getting ready for that strongest man in the world competition. Yes, sir. Dig it up. That's right. That's my little man in beast mode. Give me a big muscle flex, Gabriel. Flex your muscles for me. Let me see your muscles, Gabriel. Flex them. Gabriel. Let me see your muscles. Arr. Good job. All right, Gracie joined the party. She finally got the speck of sand out of her eye. So she's getting a little bit of attention in the water. Uh-oh, and Gabriel's getting pretty wet. I suppose we should have expected that. All right, throw me the frisbee, Gabriel. Gabriel. Throw me the frisbee. Well, throw me the frisbee first. I need the frisbee. Hurry, hurry. Hurry and throw it to me. Hurry. Oh no, I'm melting because I need a frisbee to help me. Hurry. Come on, Woody. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Oh no. Ah. Go get it. Hello, there's a seagull. Keep going, you can do it. Oh, you found a seashell, all right. Everybody's making a mad getaway because the rain's starting. Gotta move fast. We got twin babies to protect. Don't want the twins getting wet.
Is the hurricane moving in?
Ah, everybody's running. Run away, run away. Well, after you run away from the rain and the storm clouds and whatever was coming behind that, and you get home all covered in sand from it blowing everywhere, guess what you do? You dive into the pool and wash all the sand off. And enjoy a little bit of pool time. Right in the clothes you were wearing beforehand. Not even bothering to put on a bathing suit. So, anyways, thanks for watching our video. We appreciate you, and we'll see you next time.